victory party begins!
Cheep, cheep! Unity is the greatest victory!
I look twice as beautiful in this trophy.
Or maybe the trophy is reflecting your belly.
Tonight we'll sing around the campfire!
Great idea! Cheep, cheep!
I'll be the MC!
1, 2, 3, let's sing! Golden Star, forever bright our farm.
Cheep! This year's sports festival was great, but next year there will be new rivals.
Rivals? Who are they?
Oh, a letter from the magical carrot farm!
Oink, oink.
Are they challenging us?
Cheep! An invitation to the Interfarm Summer Tournament.
This is our chance to prove the power of Golden Star!
Oink. So out of breath.
Keep trying, Piggy! Health is the key to victory!
Cheep! 30 minutes every day. No laziness.
If I'm lazy, the trophy will fly to another farm.
Must maintain arm strength. I'm only good at throwing food. Speed is my strength. Cheep!
Don't forget teamwork.
I think victory is eating delicious food with friends.
And sharing joy together.
We will go there.
And bring the spirit of Golden Star. Tomorrow, a new adventure begins.
Oink, oink. I hope they have fried carrots.
Golden Star Farm, forward!
Oink, oink.
My car will get everyone to the destination the fastest.
Unless the car gets stuck in the mud again.
Slow down, Piggy. Safety first. Cheep!
There's a steep slope ahead.
I think I forgot to fill up the gas.
That's just like you.
Welcome to Carrot Region, friends. Have a taste.
Cheap, delicious, and energy boosting.
So beautiful, like a painting.
Feels like victory is waiting ahead.
This bridge is too weak. We'll have to rebuild it.
I'll take care of it. Strength is my specialty.
Cheep, teamwork is great.
Oink, oink. Hope it can hold me.
Slow down, Piggy.
The bridge is shaking too much.
1, 2, 3, push!
Oink.
My car is free again!
Cheep! Every challenge is a lesson!
And a chance to show off my skills.
Oink. Is a storm coming?
Stay calm. Find shelter. Good. The fire is lit.
Cheep! So warm!
Oink, oink. Rain is also a good occasion for an extra snack.
Just need a reason to eat. We've arrived.
Oink, oink!
I can smell fried carrots already.
Cheep! Welcome to the summer tournament!
Ready to bring the Star Team spirit here. Hello, Star Team. Let's see who's number one.
Oink wink. We love challenges and fried carrots.
Cheep, the Interfarm Tournament officially begins.
Watch out! I'm as fast as the wind!
I'm the wind, with a yellow star too. Go! Yeah! No one can outrun Bunny! We'll see! Mud is my home turf. My carrots!
Go, Brownie!
Oink, oink! Finish first, then we'll have fried carrots.
Cheep,
Round one,
The win! Star Team wins!
I'll catch up in the next round.
You're really fast.
And I know how to. Balance with my tail, too.
My dish is as soft as cotton.
Mine is as crispy as an apple.
Oink, oink, oink needs more salt. Or perhaps a little more carrot.
This dish is fragrant. That one is creative.
Cheap. Both teams are great.
Win or lose, sharing is the best.
That's right. Friendship is the secret ingredient. Tomorrow is a super special round.
We're ready for anything.
Cheap, special round. Hunt for the luminous star in the night forest.
Sounds exciting.
Whoever finds the star first wins.
Or we can search together.
Together.
Oink, oink. It's a bit dark.
Don't worry, I'm leading the way.
Is that
The star? No, it's just a firefly.
Cheap?
This challenge requires coordination between the two teams.
Oh, so let's go together.
Oink, oink, oink. Is there a carrot ghost?
It's just the wind.
Here it is, a directional sign. Follow that arrow.
Oops, the light is gone.
Oink! Oh, it's so dark now. Who can see the way?
Here, a safer firefly lamp.
It's beautiful like magic.
Jump, it's easy.
Oink, oink. I'm afraid my helmet will get wet.
Bear really is our night bus.
Friendly bus, free of charge.
The star.
Chip.
Found it.
One together?
That's right, because we found it together.
Cheap. This is the true spirit of the sports festival.
Unity is the most beautiful light.
Oink, oink. We won, right?
Chee!
Everyone is a winner.
Chirp, starting the final round. Farm Heroes Grand Tournament.
This round seems intense.
I like challenges like this.
Oink.
I slipped.
No problem, let's pull it back together.
Let me climb up to observe. I'm recording this scene. It looks cool.
I can't find the exit.
Oink. Hold my hand. Let's go together. Turn left and go straight. There's light there.
Great job! I see the exit. Success!
Chirp!
Chirp! Both teams completed it excellently.
The Scarecrow is stuck on the straw tower. Whoever rescues it will win.
Climbing is my specialty.
Be careful. The straw is very slippery.
Don't worry, I have a tail.
Thank you.
Friends help each other. Oink. Pull, pull.
Hurry, it's about to fall.
We all won together.
No one wins alone.
Chirp! The victory belongs to both teams.
Oink. Cake divided, joy doubled. Chirp.
The spirit of Star Farm will shine forever.
Chirp! today is a special day. The Golden Harvest Festival begins.
Get ready to celebrate!
This bridge will connect the two farms forever.
And connect our friendship too.
Chirp! Welcome, everyone, to this historic ceremony.
This scene could be a documentary.
Look, it's like a real bridge of light.
That's a great name. Interfarm Bridge of Light.
Oink, oink. Everything smells delicious.
Careful, don't eat it all before the ceremony starts.
Golden star, orange carrot, shining bright. Music connects all hearts. Chirp, so good, keep singing.
This cup isn't just for victory, but for friendship.
Agreed. Let's keep it together.
Whoever throws 3 corn kernels in will win fried carrots.
I'll record this and post it on the farm's social media.
Oink, oink. My sack is torn.
You still reach the finish line with a perfect roll.
Isn't it beautiful? It looks just like Bear.
I hope it's as gentle as me.
Chirp! The 2 farms are officially friends forever.
From now on, Golden Star and Orange Carrot are brothers and sisters.
The agreement is sealed with a corn.
No more rivals, only friends. And delicious food. When these 2 halves connect, they will shine like today.
It's so beautiful. I'll keep it forever.
See you next season.
Absolutely, Mari. And next time, let's set a new record together.
Chief, the festival ends, but a new journey begins.
I heard there's a mysterious fruit mountain far away. Oink! If we're going far, we need to bring food reserves. But you've packed enough for a whole month.
This will be the first episode of Farm Alliance Journey.
That name sounds so cool.
Everyone, there's a strange light in here.
Let's go see what it is. It looks just like the corn trophy. Chief, perhaps this is where that symbol was born.
Oink! Does anyone feel their heart beating fast?
It's all right. We're exploring the farm's history. Chief, this is our mission to sow a new golden harvest.
Then
Let's do it together.
the star will light up all farms.
And carrots will make meals sweeter.
Mission complete. A new golden season begins.
Chief!
The whole region will sing the farm song.
Golden star, orange carrot, forever bright. Sheep.
The adventure ends, but the spirit will live on.